Hello students. So today we will learn one of the most important chapter of income tax is income from house property. This is for the paper income tax laws and practices. The paper code is BCMC 302 module 2 and I am Uttiya Basu, assistant professor, Department of Commerce from Brainwell University. Now what we will learn? We will learn that what is actually the income from house property, what are the different types of house property, how can we calculate income from house property, and what are the different exceptions for income from house property. So we all know that according to Income Tax Act 1961 in our country, there are 5 heads of income tax under section 14. The first one is income from the head salary. The second one is actually what we will learn, income from house property. The third one, that when we are doing any business or we are doing any profession, that will be income from business and profession. Now if we sell any capital asset and if we got any profit for that or incur any loss, so that will come under the income from capital gain. And apart from the 4 points, whatever the other sources we have, mean income interest received from the fixed deposit, income from horse races, the crossword puzzles, the gambling,